How to use LOVE8 app. Want to make your relationship more fun and connected? Here's how you can use the LOVE8 app. So to get started, go ahead and download and set up the LOVE8 app on your device. So in here, go ahead and proceed on inviting your partner. So you can copy the code provided in here or send them a code through the social media apps you have on your device. So once you click on this experience mode, you can go ahead and start using the LOVE8 app with a virtual partner. So this will allow you to basically track how the application works. So as you can see, you can go ahead and check your partner's location, such as the day details, street view, and safety guard. You can also tap a pet on the platform with your partner, so you can go ahead and feed this pet, take care of this pet virtually with your partner. Another thing you can do is to go ahead and accomplish tasks with your partner. So you'll find this task section in here wherein you'll be able to find all of the tasks that you need to accomplish to receive the rewards listed. And then you can also go ahead and add a widget on your mobile device. You can select how the widget would look like for your device. And by clicking on this add to home button, that will allow you to add it to your home screen. You can also view your partner's story throughout the day. And there is also the safety guard feature wherein you can get alerted with place, sleep, and more about your current partner's actions. And that is how you can basically use LOVE8 app.